Hello friends, welcome to the next tutorial of Symphony. So this is a basic simulation of Earth satellite projection. So what you can do, you can project this satellite acting upon the gravitational force of this Earth by simply this launch button. And you can also set the initial speed of the satellite using this one, the initial angle at which you want to project the satellite using this one, and the distance at which it is from the Earth using this slider. Let's suppose we are projecting the satellite horizontally. So let's make it 0, and initial velocity of the projection, let's say suppose it's 4 meter per second. Now just launch the simulation. If I launch it, you can see how the path of the satellite will be drawn along this. Using these check boxes, you can ensure if you want to see the forces, click this checkbox. If you want to see the velocity of the satellite at each instant, you can just click on this checkbox. If you want to check the area swept in the next 1 second, let's suppose in this 1 second the area swept was this, next 1 second the area swept was this. So here you can confirm that the area swept in each case is equal. You can also change any different. Let's suppose now give it some another velocity. Let's suppose say something 5.1. Now if I launch the satellite, you can see that the motion of the satellite in this case is not circular, and it will be something more like an ellipse. Here you can check it. So I have given it a little bit more velocity. Let's make it a bit less. Let's suppose give it some other velocity like 4.5. Here you can check it now. So here you can see the velocity. The path in this case is an elliptical path. And if I pause the simulation right now, or let's say when it is at the farthest point, let's say here, using this graph, you can check the different. The blue one is the linear kinetic energy of the satellite, the orange one is the potential energy, and the green one is the kinetic energy. So here you can see at this end, the kinetic energy of the satellite is minimum. You can see it is minimum here, and the potential energy in this case is maximum. And as you can see that the total energy is always constant as it would have been. So using this simulation, you can actually explain how the working of a satellite projection works in different cases, like a different velocity, or given with a different angle of inclination, and even at different distances.